Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2016. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The chief secretary in a state is appointed by the governor of a state. Statement 2. The chief secretary in a state has a fixed tenure. Which of the following statements are correct? Now, the chief secretary is the highest administrative post at the state level, just like the cabinet secretary is the highest administrative post at the central level. Now, the chief secretary is a post which is appointed by the chief minister, and it is not somebody who is appointed by the governor of the state. So, this is incorrect. All the executive actions will be taken in the name of the governor, but the appointing authority, the power to appoint and choose, it is with the chief minister and not with the governor. And statement 2 says the chief secretary has a fixed tenure. As of now, there is no law which says that the chief secretaries in states have a fixed tenure. They will be holding the post. Generally, the senior most bureaucrat will be appointed as the chief secretary, and they will be very near to their retirement, and they'll hold the post close to their retirement and till they retire. Otherwise, even before that, they can be removed by the chief minister. There is no law which gives them a fixed tenure. So this is incorrect. Now, which of the following statements are correct? Both the statements are incorrect. So the answer is D, neither 1 nor 2. Now let us look at the provisions. Like I said, the chief secretary is chosen by the chief minister, and generally the senior most bureaucrat is chosen as the chief secretary. There are instances where the chief ministers have favored even the person who is not the senior most. It is because of political reasons and the rapport between those people. And because it is an executive action, even though the chief minister is the one who will choose the CM, who will choose the chief secretary, it is taken in the name of the governor, because all executive actions in the state are taken by in the name of the governor. But the person who appoints the chief secretary is the CM only, not the governor. And the post of the chief secretary is the highest administrative post in the state government. There is no fixed tenure as of now, and because of this, because a chief secretary has to be given a fixed tenure, the Administrative Reforms Commission, they suggested that the chief secretary should get at least a minimum tenure of 3 to 4 years, which has to be fixed. But this has not been culminated into any law, and as of now, there is no law which says they have a fixed tenure. So both the statements are incorrect. Answer is D, neither 1 nor 2.